What is up guys, Tanit this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to color code your Microsoft Outlook calendar. So let's get started. So first off, head over to your Google or any browser and then search for outlook.live.com, or you can just simply type in outlook.com. After that, if you are new to Outlook, click on this create a free account and create your free account by entering your email, password and other credentials to create your new Outlook account. But if you already have an Outlook account, simply click on sign in and then sign in with that Outlook account. Now, after signing up or logging in, you will be welcomed to this home page of Outlook, wherein on the left side you can see this calendar option. Click on that and then choose the meeting that you want to color. As you can see, this is the event I want to categorize. Just simply right click here, and after that you can see the option of categorize, and from here you can choose the color category as per your wish and requirements. So let's say I want to keep this in green category. I'll click on green category and then this will change to green. Similarly, I want to change the color of this event. I will just right click on it again and then go to categorize and then categorize it to purple. So as you can see, I have color coded my Microsoft Outlook calendar events. So this is how you can do it too. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.